Hey, it's Paige. Just a quick update on the Purr Pods. As you can see, made quite a bit of progress on the big kitty, if I can do this right. I have this kind of screwy. Got a lot of the drywall stuff put on it and gonna do another coat. And then from there I'll weld over the top of the form because I'm new to welding pretty much. So anyway, we hit 34% this morning. So thank you so much for the contributions. Just to let you know that that's what this is for, is to help build the forms, because that wasn't something that we had planned on doing initially. Give you a better, yeah, there you go. There's Big Kitty. So thank you again. It's coming along really good, and I can always use more help in the shop here in Richmond. Lots of building opportunities. We're going to work on some metal here this week. So again, thank you so much for all your help. Mwah.